In this immense body shop, hundreds of synchronized robotic arms fuse the future of the Land Cruiser with bursts of surgical precision.
Raw steel, where the journey begins. Strength begins here.
This 3,000-ton hydraulic press shapes the Land Cruiser's floor pan in a single, high-speed strike. Using advanced robotics, the Land Cruiser begins to take shape, with laser scanners ensuring millimeter-perfect accuracy.
The door gap measures 0.4 millimeters.
Confirmed. Data uploaded.
Check the temperature readout. We are holding steady at 38 degrees Celsius.
And the pH balance remains optimized for the next stage.
Yeller. The Land Cruiser receives its signature color here. The metallic base coat is applied by robots.
Alignment looks good, lasers are steady.
Engaging torque sequence now. Confirm green indicators.
Confirmed. Moving to the next station.
Alignment check on the lower right. Sensor reading is stable.
Confirmed. We have a pass indicator.
Okay, moving to the next station.
Alignment complete on the left.
Confirmed on the right.
ADAS systems check. Parameters locked.
Braking force is balanced. Pressure stable.
Deceleration confirmed. Right within spec.
Insert. The final stage of assembly involves meticulous detailing. Here, specialists apply a
The final inspection ensures every Land Cruiser meets the rigorous quality standards before shipment.
VIN scan complete. Database shows green.
Label applied. Ready for staging. Scanning complete for Bay 42.
Confirmed. The next tractor is en route for the Panama shipment.
Easy now, keep it coming straight. Hold it right there. Chocks away.
All units, this is Bay 5. The final chocks are secured. We are ready for departure.
Scanning complete. Manifest updated.
Seal integrity confirmed. Move to staging lane 3.
Easy now, keep it coming slow. All right, hold it right there. Set the brake.
ぞ間隔空けてください。
スキャン完了です。移動して一切ね。
Keep it straight back. Clear on the left guide. Now slowly up the ramp.
Confirmed. Moving up.
Handover confirmed.
Noted. Vehicle released to distribution.
Bay 4 is clear.
Copy that. Guiding the next one down.
Keep it coming, nice and slow. Right there, hold it. And stop.
Easy now, just a little further.
Scan confirmed.
Welding sense. The alignment tolerance here is still slightly off specification. Yes.
I've logged the adjustment on the Kaizen schematic. The new robot path compensates.
I've uploaded the drivetrain sequence for the new module.
Looks good. The visualization of the axle assembly is particularly clear now.
The digital twin matches the physical sample perfectly.
Excellent. The metrics support full approval for production.
If we look at the stabilized trends here, the water recycling improvement is significant.
Yes, the paint shop recovery metrics are exceeding expectations.
At the seam sealing station,
The body in white is meticulously protected. Robotic applicators dispense
Inside the primer booth, synchronized robotic arms ensure a flawless application across the Land Cruiser body.
Temperatures are holding steady across all zones.
Dwell time is precisely on target.
At the trim line entry, precision is paramount. Technicians apply specialized foam and film, safeguard.
The Land Cruiser's nervous system, a complex web of wiring, is meticulously routed before the sound insulation is precisely fitted.
Forward mounts engaged. Electrical check complete. We have continuity.
The robotic arms lift the door with surgical precision. Laser alignment systems measure the gap to within.
Alignment is locked. Compression looks good on the monitor.
Confirmed. Seal is perfect.
The alignment bay uses laser precision to measure camber, caster, and toe. Once the values settle, it
looks like a full pass on the electrical validation.
Confirmed. Ready for dynamic testing.
Pass. All parameters confirmed.
Route A is clear. Approved for movement.
Move the green unit to lane 3, spot 12.
confirmed, moving to lane 3. The final integrity check confirms everything from tire pressure to tow eye placement. The vehicle is cleared for transport.
Easy now, keep it coming.
And stop. Chocks engaged. Carrier 74B, loaded and secured. Tracking activated for Regional Convoy 3. Status shows green.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. Monitoring phase initiated.
The kinetic dynamic suspension here allows for improved wheel articulation off-road.
Yes, and the multi-terrain select updates are managed through this interface.